What is up? I'm streaming right now. Just checking out some of these setups that I have. I'm live streaming NQ micros, and that gives me about. I'm not quite sure actually. Let me just see here. Let's go to a couple of different things. Okay, let's do this. Will you just check to see the background music and how it sounds with the microphone? Yeah. All right, everybody. We are trading right now NQ. Can you hear the background music? Can you hear me talking? Do I need to turn the background music up just a little bit? Okay, I'm going to show you guys kind of what I have going on here. Okay. Hey, I have one viewer. That's you, babe. Ha! Got him. Okay, YouTube Live. What is up? What is up? We are trading NQ. We are trading micros on NQ. Forgive my background. I had to turn the computer around just a little bit here. Looks like we have some music going on. How does my sound feel with the microphone? Really? Okay, good, good. So you guys can hear me okay? Great. I mean, there have been tons of people that have told me my voice is quite awesome. And so I'm thinking that my voice is pretty awesome. All right, everybody, we are trading right now in Q. As you can see, we have some things going on here. We are going to see what in the world is going on with my music. I'm not trying to take advantage of any expert analysis. Here we go. I'm going to have to log into the other one, but okay. So we're going to watch this market go up and down, and I'm just going to come out here. I've been a little bit distracted this morning. I took a couple of trades earlier. I had some losses. I'm going to go ahead and say I had 2 losses and 2 winners. No, 1 loss, but it was pretty big, and 2 winners. Sorry. So I took 3 trades already today. I'm just kind of seeing what the market gives me, to be honest with you. It looks like we have a valid support of, or a valid zone of resistance up here at the top, at least on the 5-minute candle. This candle right here is not engulfing. So, you know, background music's a little bit light. Cool. Thanks, babe. That's good to know. Now, a little bit light is better than not too light, but, you know, we'll kind of see how things are going. Okay, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you guys are watching me or if you're catching up right now, I don't know if I got anybody in the chat. I'm just going to kind of wait for you guys to come on into the chat, like and subscribe. Now, we had a very valid rejection down here. It didn't quite sweep the 297, 300 area, so you have to think there's a little bit more liquidity down there. But you know, the market, it could go up or down. I mean, let's just be honest with ourselves. Sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down. I kind of don't like the volume that's hitting right now, but I don't know, man. If that candle can get over that, what is that zone right there? 438. You know, if that candle, 5-minute candle, can close above that, I think I might take a long, depending on how volume is. So, ok, oh sí, estoy también hablando en español. Estamos tratando de enseñar a los hispanos, a nuestra gente, cómo hacer los trading, ¿no? Y cómo perder mucho dinero. ¡Ja! No, trata de ganar dinero porque pues nuestras familias necesitamos el dinero para comer. So we have to eat. We have to eat. We got to do all the things, you know? I don't even know if there's anybody that speaks Spanish out there in the chat, but if there is, hey, right on, man. You know, bienvenidos. Ooh, that's a very solid 5 minute rejection. Let's go to the 1 minute timeline just to see kind of what we have. It's been super choppy all day long. Been a chop fest. But, you know, hey, the market might go up, the market might go down. I mean, who knows? Who knows what's going on? All we can do is try, really. Let's see here. With the 1 minute. Yeah, I think we're just gonna kind of take it easy here and see what we got going on. The market's been all morning. It's been really, really interesting. Lots of choppiness, to be quite honest with you. I mean, the chop does not stop. Oh, the chop does not stop. I'm going to use that. That's my new catchphrase. The chop does not stop. You know, with the market, the chop never stops. The chop don't stop. Coming at ya. The chop don't stop. Now, I'm wanting you guys to hear my voice. I'm wanting you guys to be updated on this one. We're going to see if this makes money today. I mean, we have NQ at trading right now at 27,430, 27,429. Looks like it's going down. Going down, down, down. It's going down, down, down. It's not its moment. Gonna be golden. Something like that, right? Right, chat? Ha! Like and subscribe. You know, I gotta show you guys this one too, but you know, kind of see how things go. We're gonna check this bad boy out. Oh, look at that. Hola, chat. I'm gonna go ahead and say hi to whoever's in the chat right now. You know, sometimes you gotta say hi to whoever's in the chat and you know, show them that you appreciate their patronage, right? That's part of the life. That's part of the life of a streamer. Now, I am not a professional streamer by any stretches of the imagination. Bienvenidos. Bienvenidos a la chat trading continuo. Mira lo que está pasando, trading continuo, maybe. You guys are gonna have to hear some of my rap music. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm probably, I would say, top 3 rappers in the country if you really want to put the test to it. But that's the thing, is most people won't put the test to it because they don't want to come at me. Because they know I got the flow like H2O. I'm gonna blow like a volcano. Listen up, are you going up or down? I don't know, chat. All I gotta say is I gotta go to the 5-minute channel. Let's go 5 minutes here and check that out. Oh, that's a very solid rejection off of that. What is that? 27,437. Very solid rejection. I wonder if that's because oil went up. Yeah, oil spiked up a little bit. These are the micro crude oils. Well, let's see. Do I want to take a 1-minute trade on this? I don't know, chat. We're gonna have to see here. I mean, that looks like it's about to pop. How's our volume looking? You know, you always got to test the volume and just kind of see if it's going up on low volume. Maybe. I don't know. I don't trust it enough. I don't like the volatility on that one. If that's going up, this is definitely going down, but that is a bull flag if I have ever seen one. Do you guys see that bull flag? Let me see here. Let's see if we can go to my drawing tools and let's put a little shape here. I'm just going to do a multi-point shape, you know? Let's see here. Boom, baby. Hey, does that look like a flag to you guys? Looks like a flag to me. Okay, all right. I don't know how to get out of my drawing tools. Maybe I just need to keep drawing like this. See? Oh, multi-point. No, that's a flag for sure. Okay, look at that. I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably thinking, can you get some liquidity out of that? And I think I can, to be honest with you. We have volume going up. I think I'm going to enter a trade here. I'm only trading 5 micros on NQ. I think we're going to go down a little bit. I should have waited for that retracement back to the EMAs or the VWAP. But, you know, I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of see what's happening. You know, it doesn't get any better than this right now. Let's see how we retrace that. Okay, we're down. But I think we're going to have a very solid pump up right here. And let me go to here. 1 minute. Yeah, see, that's a very solid pump up. That was a very solid flag. Hope you guys were able to see that. This is distracting me, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, I'm in long right now. It's going to shoot up, and I think I'm going to take profit. Just see if it has the audacity to go a little bit higher. Are you audacious right now? Are you audacious? Bear flag? Bull flag? Let's see. I don't know, chat. I don't know. We're going to have to see here. We're coming at you YouTube live. We are trading NQ right now. I am in long on some micros. I have 5 micros that I'm in long on. I just saw a really nice bull flag setup on the 5 minute. You can see that there's a little bit of a bear flag. Sellers are coming into the market right now. You know, I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna move this up just a little bit. Let's see how this one closes. I'm gonna go back to my 5 minute because that makes me less anxious. Oh yeah, see, we have so much, and we just wicked up, which that could be good or bad. I mean, here's the bottom line: the market could go up or it could go down. You know, you could make money or you can lose money. I mean, really, it just depends on where you are in life and you know where you want to be in life. I saw a very solid confirmation. That's a trade that I would take probably 10 out of 10 times, probably 1 out of 10 times. I mean, let's be honest. Okay, let's see how this candle, 5 minute candle closes. I'm still in the money right now. I don't like the volume drop off. Well, let's see. We have, it's about to close. Okay, that 5 minute candle is about to close. I think it might close. You know what? Let's see. Come on, go, go, go. Let's see if it sweeps up there. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. 30 seconds until that one closes. Very solid. I mean, it's been choppy all morning. We've been consolidating all morning, but I saw that bull flag and I was going to take it. We have 15 seconds until it closes. Let's see what the market makers do on this one. Can we get a little bit higher on it? Let's go. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's see. Is that gonna take that up a little bit more? Maybe not. It might just be ranging. Let's see, we got the bears coming in right now. I'm going to try to take this over. Yo, if you're in here, why don't you like and subscribe? The more likes we get, the more we can do with it. Let's see if that bounces off of that. There we go. Guys, that is a bull flag if I've ever seen one. And I think my entry was actually perfect. I mean, I had a nice retracement. I entered right at that. Now, you know me, I'm a scalper. I don't like to stay in trades too long, so I'll take profits and I'll get out. But I like what this candle's doing right now. Bulls, bears, who's going to win it? I don't know. Rawr. You know, going live chat, this is a very interesting thing for us to do. Let's see how we're doing on that candle. We got a little bit of steam coming up. Maybe a little bit now. Okay. I think we just invalidated that trade, but let's get back up to break even and see if we can't sweep a little something with it. You know, we're listening to music right now. We're jamming out. You got to be chill when you trade. You got to. You know, the market don't care about your emotions. Market only cares about what it sees and what it does. And let's be honest, I don't give a fuck about the market's emotions. So there you go. Ha, got you, market. Got you. Wait, no, I'm just kidding. I care about your emotions. Go up, go up. That's a very valid 5-minute bull flag, you guys. I mean, every time that we are dropping in volume, we are going up. So I might hold on to this for a second. Just see kind of how that goes. We were past that 5-minute halfway mark, and I think the bears are trying to go, but you know, the market makers will trap those bears faster than they'll trap bears in the wilderness. That's for darn sure. I entered at 422. We're about 420 right now, so you know, it's slow. It's a grind. I wonder what we have crude going at here. Let's see here. I've noticed that if crude goes down, then NQ goes up. So let's see. Crude going down, NQ going up. Not really. Okay, so I don't want to talk this one out with you guys. So I saw a very valid zone of support down here. Let me get out of here. Okay. Yeah, I saw a very valid zone. Aquí una zona válido de apoyo. Mire, es una bandera de los bulls. It's slow going, but you know, I think I'd still enter that trade, you know. I think I'd still get into that one. I haven't had any stop losses. I think maybe once we get up around 100, I'll sell. I like to scalp them, you know. I like to get out. Get out. Let's see how we're doing here. We're going to see how this 5-minute candle closes. But market's doing something right now. It's trying. It is trying to go one way. I mean, it can either go up or it could go down, or it can stay sideways, you know. I mean, let's be honest. Man, this is crazy. Of course, I am trading, you know, lunch hour. Let's see here. Okay. Powered lunch hour, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's go. Okay, that closed below. Okay. I'll close out of here on the retracement down. I don't know. That's still very valid, though. Look at that. Let's do a horizontal line here. I'm just kind of... Let's see. We got this. It's about 12 points, you know, if it does decide to come back down and go back up. And let's be honest, the trend is your friend. We are trending upwards from where we were earlier today. And I think the market wants to go up to about 440. I think maybe 450. Yeah, see, there we go. Now we're shooting up. Once again, I entered at 422. We are about 426 right now, so I'm only up 4 points. If we keep this momentum up, though, I think we'll be shooting up. Let's see if we can get some volume spike going on. Yeah, see, I had that 5-minute close. If you're watching right now, why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe. If you're not watching, well, then don't like and subscribe, you know, because you're not watching. But there we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Okay, okay. I like you. I like you. You like me. I like you. See, I thought we were going to be shooting up just a little bit or a lot. There you go, baby. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Oh, I saw that bull flag. I am watching it. I am watching it. It's going to go up there. It's going to tap. It is going to tap right there. Tap it in. Tap it in. 440. It's going to tap to 440. You know, I am going to secure some profits here in a minute. There we go. Get up there. Go, go, go. I'm gonna secure that profit. I took that trade. I would take that trade all day, every day. I think it has more to go. But that was a 422 to 431, 9 points only. And yeah, I'll take that 9 points. I mean, that's $87 right there. You know, market don't care. Market don't care. All the market does is know how to stare. But, you know, in case you all are wondering, I do have a microphone right here that I'm trying to talk into so you can hear me better. I kind of like it hidden. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Hey, everybody. My name is Timmy P, and I'm coming at you with a little bit of market time. I got to say, it is time. That's still a very valid bull flag. think we have, I think there's a lot more room to the upside there. But it's been choppy. It's been a chop fest all flipping day long, you guys. I don't know if I like the chop fest all that much, but hey, we got to do what we got to do. Man, it is a dark day. I actually turned my I turned my chair over and my computer over because I wanted to have a little bit more light in my face and not so much light in you guys. But man, this is really this is really messing with me a little bit. Rapping, rocking and rolling. It's a cloudy day today, you guys. We got a weather report. Let's look up the weather. What is the weather going to be today? That is the question of the year, you guys. What is the weather going to be today? Let's put southern. Let's look up Southern California weather, guys. I think the Southern California weather is probably going to be some of the best weather out there. Let's be honest with ourselves. Okay. Oh, man. 68 degrees. This is 66. It feels like 66 right now. Oof, it's cold. Man, okay. Looks like we have sunny skies. All right, cool. Well, hey, sunny skies are the way to go, you guys. Sunny skies all day long. Man, this is boring. This trade sucks. I thought we would have more. I thought we'd have more action with that flag, but man, that's kind of being invalidated right quick. Tell you what, buddy. Okay, you guys, we got a very, very. See, it's a bullish flag, man. It's going higher. The bulls are going to win this out. Our volume, our volume's pretty steady, but you can see even with a tiny bit of volume, we have some giant, giant candles. We are wicking out maybe a little bit. You guys can see earlier I marked the 15-minute. I'm trading on Trade of 8. You can kind of see that 15 minute. Nice little zone that I played earlier. It was a pretty decent zone, but I don't know, man. We need to get more of a retracement back on this bad boy. You know, the longer we're doing this, the more we're going to be able to learn, I guess, right? Price action. It's been a very volatile day. You guys can see this. It's been barcodey all the way up. Let me look over here. Barcodey all the way down, but we hit a pretty solid reversal, and that was down. What was that at? 27,306, and we're all the way up. Could you imagine if you took that trade? That's 100 point. That's more than 100 point. Oof. Man, we are trading right now at 432. I took a trade about 422. I got out at 431. I think we're going to be bouncing up to the upside a little bit here. I mean, anything's possible. This is the market. You know, the market could go up and the market could go down. I am not sure, and I'm not going to frown. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Of course you guys know what I mean. Of course you guys know what I mean. How can you not know what I mean? How can you not know what I mean? What in the world? Where'd it go? I lost my stream, you guys. I lost my stream. Let's go back there. Let's make sure we have the right display going on. I want to do that one. I want to do Tradeovate. There we go. You know, if you're following NQ right now, so we're trading NQ. We've had some issues today because oil has been very volatile. You can see the oil jumps, and man, oil, we have a very, 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 very good case of a solid case to say it's going to go to the upside. There's plenty of room. I wonder if I want to take a long here. What do you guys think? I don't know. Let's look at that. That's the 1 minute. Let's go to the 5-minute chart and see. Down, down, no, 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 no. Oh. I'm about to put on some rap music in the background so I can start flowing to you guys. Yeah. Everybody on the mic, everybody know what's up, everybody know that's tight. My name be Timmy P, trading continuo, vamos a hablar español, vamos a tratar de hacer el trading en español. Si hablas español, por favor, sígueme. Put on a little peso pluma. Hashtag shout out to Peso Pluma. You know, Peso Pluma was the first Mexican rock star or rap star to actually be part of the Grammys, like to actually play live at the Grammys. It's kind of dope shit. Okay, let's go to NQ. I like NQ. It's a solid bull flag. It's a solid bull flag. I mean, it chopped. It's a solid choppy bull flag. Let me see if I can't do a little shapy shape on this bad boy. I mean, you know, I think all you can do is all you can do, really. And you want to be patient for these setups here. And right now, this is like a step away from the market type of situation. Let me see. I'm gonna check my phone here. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm glad I got out of that trade. I think that was a good one to get out of, to be quite honest with you guys. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is rough, you guys. Yeah, this is not looking very good. I might play some chess here in a minute. Show you guys my chess setup. I mean, I don't know, guys. I mean, this is let's see what crude oil's doing. You know, I might actually bring crude oil down. Let's do that. I've noticed that NQ has been doing the exact opposite as crude. And I called that earlier. I called that. Let's see, that would have been a 56 to 19, 20, 70 point move. Maybe not 70 point. I'm not sure how that one works, actually. We're going to have to learn that one. Okay, everybody, coming at you. So I am trading continuo. Hablo español. Trato de hacer trading con otras personas. Estoy tratando de, that's some euros. Estoy tratando de hacer el trading con NQ. I'm just going to watch oil here, kind of. I'm just going to watch what oil does. Let's see what happens. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It tapped down and back into that flag, came out. It's been tapping. I gotta say I don't know, the trend is your friend, so it's definitely going up right now. I gotta monitor my blood pressure, man. This is too much for me. You know, I'm gonna have to say, like, if you monitor your blood pressure, then you're gonna have to check your blood pressure in this market. Let me tell you. Okay, so we have up here crude oil, and crude oil is it's only up $2 from earlier today. You know, it's been ranging though. And then we have NQ, and that's down 4, which is actually kind of interesting, to be honest. Let's see here. Let's go here. NQ. Yeah, man. Last week we were ranging. There were some days where it was like 4, 500, and now we're at 4, 2, 125, 2. Man, what is going on? This market is not exactly what I would say is the best market in the whole wide world. See, look at that. We came right back down. We're not even tapping any levels. We're just coming down, going up, coming down, going up. And that's what the market does, you guys. The market goes down, the market goes up. And you have to be able to figure out where it's at. Is it going to go down or is it going to go up? I don't know, to be honest with you. I'm not a genie. I'm not a magician. Okay, I can't tell you everything that's going on in this market. All I can tell you is what I see. And I saw a very solid bull flag. I took a trade, and I scalped 9 points. 87.50. I scalped it pretty crazy. You know, We're gonna have to see how this one goes. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. You can make a lot, or you can break a lot of money in here. Oh, hello, Nvidia. Oh, guys, my let me go over here. Let me see if I can pull this up to you guys. Holy crap! Look at that, dude. I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna sell this Nvidia, man. Um, it's a 50. It's a 50% win, which not very much, but boom, sold. Hey, how about that? I was happy to get out of that. That one's been negative for 2 weeks now, so right on, man. Right on with the gone. Ha! I'll take that all day, every day. You guys don't even want to know. I'll take that all day, every day. Tesla breaking my heart, as always. Tesla always breaks my heart, you guys. I don't even know why I trade Tesla. Probably because that was like one of the first ones that I ever traded. And so, you know, I think like there's a little bit, oh, hello. Now we got some movement on NQ. Okay, everybody, we got some movement on NQ. I'm going to be kind of focusing on this trade here. Okay, let's see here. All right, let's focus on this NQ. I'm going to take this one and bring it down here. Let's bring NQ back up here. Once again, I'm trading micros. Estoy tratando de hacer un trade con NQ. Mira ese retracement que pasó aquí. ¿Qué significa eso? Pues tenemos más altos. Sí. Not quite sure. Let's see here. You know, that's the thing, guys, is it can go up or it can go down. It can do anything. It can go all the way around. It can go up. It can go down. It can do anything all around. But we are at 11:28 Pacific Standard Time. And that 5-minute candle, oh, it's going down. Looks like the bears, the bears are coming down. I don't know if these bears can actually hold this, but we're going to see. We're going to see if they can. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. Hello. I am trading right now live. If you are into trading, then you can follow me, honestly, or if you just want to chat, follow me. I did a lot of cool things in my life. I have a lot of cool information. You can follow, like, and subscribe. We'll chat. You know, we don't just have to chat about trading. We can chat about pretty much whatever. I like learning new things. And, you know, you guys teach me. Let's be honest with ourselves. You guys teach me about all these new things that we have going on. You know, there's lots of hustlers out there. There's lots of different hustles. You know, I'm kind of focusing on this trade right now, even though I probably should just play a game of chess or something. We have a little bit of movement. I mean, jeez. This is classic NQ, you guys. I mean, that is, what time did I take that one? 10:55. So it's been about 35 minutes with no movement. Ranging 10 points at a time. What are you guys doing to me? Chop, chop, chop it up. You know, let's find some better music, guys. I think if I start doing some rap musics, then let's see here. Okay. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know how well my stuff is coming through. We're gonna figure this out, you guys. We're gonna figure this out. Yeah. Here I go, about to flow like H2O. I'm a volcano. Wait, that don't rhyme, nothing rhyme. Everybody got the crime. Everybody do the dime. Everybody know the mind. No, I don't like this freestyle. This ain't good, you know. Kanye West says he's a genius. Kanye West ain't got nothing on me. I'm a genius. I'm not trying to call out Kanye West because let's be honest with ourselves. I better not call out Kanye West because, you know, Kanye West is pretty good. Yeah, I don't like this one. Let's find a different one. Everybody skate, skate. Everybody yeet, yeet. Everybody get on that treat, treat. Like and subscribe. Everybody say, Like and subscribe. Everybody say, Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Everybody know my name. Everybody know my game. Everybody know I be like, what's up, G's? Bum 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 bum. Trading trade. Everybody know I be trading up my game. Everybody know I be real time Tim. Tratando con trading continuo. No sepa lo que pasa, mijo. Soy el más grande en el mundo. Trata de venir, nada que pasó. Yo, yo, ski, ski, yo, ski, ski, yo. Everybody trade that game in Q for the tame. In Goo is my name, in Q is my game. But you know that crude oil be blasting up. Yo, I'm ranging here, don't give a fuck. Oh, don't want to use those words, yo. I gotta clean up my language. That was a pretty good rap. That was actually really good. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna give myself a pat on the back. Dun, 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 dun. Bum, 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 dun, 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 dun. Talking to my homies, straight up, everybody know me. I got this NQ splicing out my car. Don't show me. Bum 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 dun 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 dun. I gotta find out what Evo is. Dun 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 dun. Watch my stream, watch it clean. Playing the stock market's my dream. Everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's clean. Gonna text my homie right now and everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's down. Dun 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 dun. Oh, okay. Looks like the Bears are coming in, building a little bit of momentum. We're going to see if they got a valid zone level of support down here. Yeah. Everybody know. Everybody know. Everybody know my name be Tammy P. Your future is at your fingertips. If you know that, then you will know that your future is at your fingertips. What? No, I don't want to listen to that. Let's see here. Let's go to my music here. We're gonna have to find out some more here. Oh snap! About to blast it up, bust a cap. About to trade that zone. Looking for it. What? Live streaming on YouTube like I give a. Puck it in. Break it down. That ain't no sin. Put on that grin. My name be Timmy P. Look at what's up with me. Gonna trade it up in Q. Where you at? Volatility sucks. Dun, 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 All right, guys, here we go. You know, this is pretty much what I do. I just sit here and wait for the market to dictate to me, tell me what's up, tell me what I see. Market knows the play, market knows the move. Gonna have that rap, gonna have it up to you. Everybody know what's up. Ha! Yeah, right. Isn't that dope, man? Oh yeah, the lighting's a little bit off, but this is a good little scruff, man. Okay, so remember when you talked to me about the dong, right? Um, so I can trade. Check this out. Let's see, not crude oil. I got the euro here. Um, and with all of the turmoil that's going on, anyways, crazy stuff. Right now, I'm trading the stock market, trying to trade the stock market. It's not giving me very much to go off of. Duh. All right, I'm gonna change this music, man. Let's put on a little bit. I was rapping earlier, man. That rap was pretty dope. Oh, yeah, gonna hit that wrap up. Let's see if we can do like a country freestyle. Man, I've been there's some sad country music. No, maybe I'll start that one from the beginning. Count it in. Everybody knows what's up. Trading the market. Now that doesn't work very well. Man, dude, thanks, man. I appreciate that. I don't want to say your name all that loud, but not like I have anybody following. Thanks, Ed. I appreciate that, man. This is my new jam. This is it. Oh, dude, speaking of California, I was going to show you. I have this new hustle that I'm doing right now. It's called Second Chance Lotto. I go around and I find these lottery tickets in the trash cans, and then you put second chance on them, and you can upload 500 to your phone. It's a little hustle, man. I found one that was a $50 winner the other day that somebody just threw away. All right, this music, I gotta change that. Bam. And I'm also doing this live stream too, man. This is my first day where I think I have a lot of the bugs worked out, Um, that was kind of turned pretty nice right there. I could probably get my guitar out and play that one, to be honest with you. Trading background music. Yeah, man. So this is I've been learning this, like trading the market stuff. It's pretty crazy. Let's see what we got here.
This week, we're hosting a free trading and investing workshop right here in Irvine.
We are hosting
Inside
it.
this workshop,
Let's skip that. Okay, we're gonna take a trade. Oh, look at that. Okay, we got some good price action. It looks like our volume is going up. We were able to break that level down there. We're gonna have to see who gets in, the bulls or the bears. The bulls make it go higher, the bears make it go down. Honestly, I don't even know why or who or what, where, when, or whatever. I just know that if I enter a trade, like earlier, I got 87.50 from that trade. Then I got 55, but I did lose. No, I got 105 on that one. I lost one earlier. I got to find that one. It was a big loss. Yeah, 472. So I'm making up right now. I'm still in the red today. But you got to figure that out. I'm going to find out what the, let's see here. Hold on. The Vietnamese dong. Let's see here. I'm going to see if I can find that. Maybe it's VND. Let's see if I can add it on there. I'm not sure. No, it didn't come up there. VNO? No. Viet. Am I spelling that right? Probably not, huh? Maybe I am. No, I can't trade it. Maybe it's USD VND. Let me see. USD VND? USD VND? USD slash VND? No, can't trade it. Anyways, this is how they trade, man. This is how these market makers, all the people try to trade that. So I'm just chilling here. I'm just chilling. I'm live streaming, listening to some music, chilling like a villain. We're gonna see if I can make some monies. Man, this is something I've been learning for quite a while now, and it is hard to be profitable. Let me tell you. So we have a candle right there. We just tap that. That's going to be a level of support, and if we can keep close, this is an interesting song. If we go past that, I think we have room all the way down to 380. I think we're going to go past that. Let me go back to my 5 minute and see. I might take a short here. I'm going to take a short. Let's see if they trap me. I bet you. Let's see here. That tapped it. It's good. It's good to go. It's good to go. I mean, we have plenty of room back down here. Maybe a little bit of retracement. Remember, this is crazy. So I'm in a trade right now, and you can see how fast you either win or lose. And I'm negative. Oh, but let's see. Let's see if it retraces. It tapped that market. I bet you it's a breakout. I hope it's a breakout. So that's called being in a short position. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Okay. No, it's tapping. It's tap. It wants to go down. It wants to. I can tell. It wants to. There's some liquidity down there. It wants to sweep that liquidity, or it just wants to trap shorts. But man, the audacity of it all. This is nuts. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so it closed right there. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's get some movement. There we go. Boom. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, a little bit more. Little bit more. There you go, baby. Come on, go. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I like to just get my liquidity and get out. Out. Dude, that was 50 bucks right there. 55. Can you believe that, man? $55. Holy smoke. And it's still going. It's still going. It had some movement. I knew that was going to go, but I was scared. I was scared. I got scared, you guys. I'm sad I got scared, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I got scared, and there's plenty more liquidity for it to sweep down there. What the world? Oh, thank you. You can get out of there. That music's whack, but so this is called futures trading. If you're still watching me, um, what you do is you go into these things called prop funds, and I'll show you kind of what they look like here. Um, okay, so honestly, learning this, and this is gold, man. It's kind of like the recycling stuff. Like this stuff is gold. Like, what you do is you buy a prop fund, and they charge you $100 for it, and um, sounds like a Backstreet Boys song. I don't know if I can hear the music. I'll have to ask my wife. Okay, so they charge you $100, and you get these things called prop funds, and then you have to follow rules, right? Um, so in order to make money off of it, you got to follow a whole bunch of different rules. You can see kind of where I've gone up and I've gone down. Um, and they give you 50,000 in equity to trade, right? Now, of course, you can't trade the whole 50,000. Like if you lose a lot of money in a day, they'll basically burn your account, and you have to pay for another test. So they're prop fund tests. If you pass the test, then you could become one of their traders, and that's when you start getting what they call payouts. Anyways, it's a whole system. It's taken me months to learn this stuff, um, but you learn it, man, and it's pretty dang good. Yeah, this music is whack.
You may be researching how to hire internationally. So, what is an employer of record?
I don't know, man. I can do all kinds of stuff. Okay, I gotta check that YouTube link. Okay, let's do upbeat trading music because I like the upbeat trading music. Uh, okay. All right, everybody. I am starting my YouTube live stream because why not? Why not do a live stream? I mean, other people are doing it. I might as well do it too. Because this is fun. This is fun. We get to kind of see where we're at here. We're at 408. I gotta watch this market. Okay, let's see here. That's trending to the downside. Now the trend is your friend, which means that if you want it to go down, you want it to go down. But I took a trade earlier, and I was actually pretty pleased with that trade, to be honest with you. Um, got a little bit of room to catch up on, but that's how you win. You do small wins, 55, 85, 55. It's like scrapping, little copper wins. Now you can lose a lot if you don't know what you're doing, and I have lost a lot. Let's be honest with ourselves, but you can't count me out. You can't hold me down. I'm gonna have to check to see how all of that is, how all that's going. To be honest with you, let's fix my hair. See, everybody, yeah, it's been a slow day. It's been a slow trading day, and it's been cloudy. The weather out here is cloudy. They say the clouds are going to be dissipating shortly, but you don't know. You don't know. You never know what's going to happen with the California bipolar weather. I'm just kidding. It's not bipolar at all. It's actually fantastic. See that? I think that's a fake out. I mean, that's clearly a fake out right there. You know, what do we got? We got a fake out or a breakout going out there? Yeah. Let's see, what are they doing? Whatever the market's doing, it's boring AF right now. Barcoding. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know how the music is. It might be pretty good. Anyways, you know, coming at you, WNBC. We're playing all the hip hops, R&Bs, and rock and roll for your little town. If you want to, you got to share the love, like and subscribe, babies. You want to like and subscribe? Oh, you don't want to like and subscribe. I don't even know anymore. Something's got to happen though. You know, that's right, Jim. Something does have to happen. You know, they say a lot of people have a voice for the radio. I might have a voice for the radio. I might not have a voice for the radio. Here's the thing: when you're doing live trading and you're looking at the numbers, you want to guess whether or not it's going to go higher or it's going to go lower. Now, you can play either way. I like that one. You can play either way. You can play the high or you can play the low. Now, if you want to play the low, you got to sell. If you want to play the high, you got to buy. Play the high, buy. Play the low, sell. So high buy, low sell, low dough. Now, they also use different words in trading like long, short. So if you want to do a long, boom, that's called buying, right? So right here, I don't want to particularly do a long right here, but if I were, I would have to first evaluate my trade. And I know you're going to be like, what? What is going on? Like, how are you going to evaluate your trade? Well, I'll show you guys. Yeah, so you got to evaluate your trade. This is going bad. See, the Nasdaq is still down here. Man, that might be a continuation. There's plenty of room down that way. I think I got in way too late. I should have got in right there. Now, I'm not sure what any of this is doing. Yeah, we got to hit that like and subscribe button. I mean, we gotta get some more followers. You know, we gotta see what's going on because this is where it's at. So hit that like and subscribe button. Maybe share the link with your friends. You know, we'll kind of see what's going on right now. Market goes up and down. Market don't frown. Let's go to the 1 minute. This 5 minute is looking pretty bearish. Oh, look at that. That's the 1 minute. Although, how are we doing on volume? Yeah, we got a little bit of a pullback. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Yeah, see, if we pull back here, I think I'd take an entry on the to the upside. If it invalidates by going lower, you know, that's gonna suck. But I'm not sure which way we're headed. Are we headed up or are we headed down? I'm not sure, but we'll see. So the nice volume is interesting. Yeah. 5 minutes been choppy all day long, you guys. That's an interesting way of looking at it. I don't know what that one is. Mm-hmm. That's a 5 minute engulfing candle. Yeah, we are ranging like crazy right now. Dun, 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 dun. I got to tell you guys a story. So my cat brought in a rabbit, a little baby bunny or something like that, and so we were in my kids' room and we found this little baby bunny. It was the craziest thing. I don't even know what that little bunny was doing, but it was there. So we had to call animal control. They had to come pick it up. First, we took it to a vet, and we were like, "Hey, we found this wild rabbit," and they're like, "We don't want that wild rabbit in our house or in our vet." I'm like, "All right, I don't want it either." So they gave me the number for animal control, and I called up animal control, and I said, "Hey, come get this rabbit out of my house." And they said, "Yes, sir. We're right there, sir." I said, "Well, I thank you, sir." Oh man, I don't like wearing necklaces. This thing was for the microphone, but I got a nifty little stand. I got this little stand right here that my sweet wife gave me. It's a nifty little stand, I'll be honest with you. So let's put the microphone there. Okay, so we're about 1 minute 30 seconds from closing that blue can or that green 5 minute candle. If we can close above the previous candle, that might be pretty good validation to go long on this one. I'm not sure, to be honest. Everybody knows that that candle is gonna close green. Everybody knows that that 5 minute candle's gonna shoot it on up. Sometimes if you check the news, you can find out different things. Although I would say don't trade the news. It's definitely not my thing. Don't trade the news. Don't trade the news. Don't trade the news. Don't trade the news. If you trade the news, you're gonna lose. Don't trade the news. Don't trade the news. Everybody knows that if you trade the news, you're gonna lose. Don't trade the news. Yeah. Uh. Busting out my rhymes like I don't have a dime. Everybody knows I'm fine. Busting out my dimes like I know I'm fine. Don't nobody know that I am so cool. Just gonna lean back here, lean back in my chair, lean back into the Rockaware. Dun, 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 dun. So my sweet wife made me a whole bunch of thumbnails for my live trading, which honestly is just so cool. I mean, let's be honest with ourselves. How cool is that, you guys? You know, it's very nice of her. It's very nice of her to make me these. We're gonna have to debut a few of them and see, kind of debut a few of them and see what your guys' thoughts are on these bad boys. Let's see. I'll pop a few of them up and show you guys, and then you guys can be part of picking out. You know, you can be part of picking it out, like which ones are gonna be the best. Dun, 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 dun. I like to trade, yes, I like to trade. Mm, 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 mm. I want to trade, yes, I'm gonna trade. Pretty slow day, just scalping along. I gotta make up some room now. 222 negative, yeah. Gotta get two more trades that are winners. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go turn the lights on. I completely forgot about that. I'll be right back, guys. All right, I'm back. Oh, yeah, that lighting is way better. It was dark there for a minute. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. All right, chat. What do you guys think? What do we got? I mean, really, this has just been a slow and roll go day. Slow and go and rolling, slow and go. Everybody knows my name. Gonna love it, yes they are. Gonna love it, yes they do. Everybody knows my name. What's your name? I don't know you. Everybody, everywhere. Everybody, everywhere. Yeah. Mm. Girl, what you mean? What you doing? I don't know. My name Mr. Clean. Coming at you like a dream. My voice is getting deeper. Maybe I can start one of those ASMR videos. And then I can say, hey, Follow, 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 follow. Everybody follow ASMR. I don't know what all that means. Here we go, go up, go down. Don't you frown. The market is so lame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's try ES, you know? I don't have to be so stuck on NQ. That's how ES is doing. ES is about the same. Okay. That sucks. Oh, snap, dude. You know, we're going to have to find out what time all the hockey games are tonight. Everybody, every way, everybody, yeah, today. Listening to some music. Oh, I should post my thing on Facebook, huh? Maybe I'll get some people following me. I don't know why that's not opening. Come on, man. Is that the Dow? Yeah, you're expanding it. Okay, thank you. Hey, look at natural gas. That's a very long-term play, but that's retracing. I mean, let's go to that's the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 minute and see if it's actually doing anything. Dun, 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 dun. Mhm. Gold. How ridiculous is this market? I swear. Where are you guys? There you are. Okay. We're gonna take a look at this. I think I'm running my computer ragged right now. pretty good. I love it. Yes, I do. Wanna sing to you. Oh, oh. I love it. Yes, I do. I wanna sing to you. My wife is so cool. She made me these cool little things. Yes, she did. My wife is so cool. Yes, she made me these cool little things. Yes, she did. Mm-hmm. Oh, May 8th. Okay. Oh. But what? Mhm. I'm in a trade right now. I'm in a long. It looks like it's about to shoot up. And so I decided to just roll with that. Yeah, we are. We're looking at, yeah, we are getting a push back up. Yeah, I'm pushing up right now. I'm in a long. I gotta say that this thing is going to be pushing up. I think we got some room up here to about 421, maybe. I like the 420-ish, 421 area. That seems to be a pretty good one. There we go. Yeah, baby. Let's go. We're gonna lock in these profits here momentarily. You know me, I like to get up to 100 before I lock them in. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Get up there. There we go. Get up there. Mhm. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, now we got some good stuff going on right now. Boom, baby. 70, 72, 70. Ah, keep going, baby. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Once I get that, all right, I'm gonna lock that in. All right, 67.50, locked it in at 67.50. Still down 164 today, but I got some trades going on, so I'm not that worried about it. I'm gonna scalp I'm going to scalp quite a few things. Um, but I'm in a, okay, so I just took a long right now. I saw that there was some momentum. I saw that we broke out of the 410 range. And, I took it up there. I got to say, I opened that position at 409, got up to about 419, which was about a 10-point scalp. It's not too bad. I wasn't able to take the 10-point scalp. I think I only got, let's see, 7 points off of that one. But hey, 7 points is money, money, money. That's 67. So let's look at my wins right now. I'll show you my losses too. I've had a pretty big loss earlier, so I'm kind of catching up from that loss. But she's kind of scalping here. I got 67.50, got 55, 87. That was a pretty good win. That was when I saw that bull flag. You guys can see that bull flag hitting right here. I thought I had a very solid entry and I thought it was going to shoot to the moon. It didn't. That's all right. It retraced back. Sometimes the market has to sweep some liquidity. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Let's see here. I got 55. That was 105. How many trades is that so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then my big loss right here, blah, 472. Can you guys believe that? It sucks so bad. But it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, so, man, this baby's still going up though. I think there's more room to the upside. Let's look how volume's doing here. Go to the 1 minute. I was trading 5 minutes, right? Okay, we had a retracement. Let's see here. All right, that candle is not happy. Oh. All right, we got two. Oh, hello. Okay, let's go to the 5 minute here. Dude, we are gonna be going to the moon here in a minute. Okay, we have lots of room to the upside up here. I'm thinking about 438 is where we want to get at, unless the bears want to come in and just sweep it. I'm going to enter another long here. I think we have so much room. Now this could break me out, you guys. We have, that wasn't the best entry. I should have waited for a retracement, but hey, if we get up to that 50 point, I think we're going to be locking that bad boy in. Come on, baby. Let's go. I can feel it. I can feel it. Can you guys feel it? Can you guys feel the juju in the air? I feel it, baby. I feel it. Fix it, Felix. I'm going to fix it. All right. Okay, so I'm in long on this position. I'm just kind of rolling with the trend. We have so much room up here to 437 if the bulls can pull their heads out their butts. If they pull their heads out their butts and we start shooting up, then we're going to go. Ah, there we go. See? Boom. There we go. See? What did I say? What did I say? See? Oh, I'm going to lock that in. Give me, come on, baby. Come on. A little bit more, a little bit more. Lock it in. Boom. Holy crap. That was just two good trades right there. 60, 67. Holy smokes, you guys. It's still going. It's still going, but I'm done with that one. I think it's, I think the momentum has been, I think that was a very good momentum trade, you guys. That was a very good momentum trade. I'm starting to like this version of my trades right now. Okay, so if you're joining me, like and subscribe. I mean, this is hello. We're going more. We're going more. We are going more, baby. Man, let's wait for it to retrace. Let's see if it does a little retracement action. If it does a little retracement action, then guess what? We're going to get in again. I'm going to go to the 1 minute here and just see. But this is how you scalp. I mean, this is pure just day trader action, like they like you have in the movies. Buy, 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 sell, 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 scalp, scalp, scalp. Let's look at crude oil right now. Yeah, we have crude oil crashing a little bit. No, it's a very valid level of support. I'm going to mark that down. Okay, it looks like what we have here is a very, very, very valid level of support for crude oil. If we can get it to come down and tap it in, just tap it in. I might shoot to the upside. It's not very volatile right now. Kind of interesting. Looks like NQ is really trading off the charts for this lunch hour. Okay, so it's 12:21. Oh my goodness. I gotta be careful. I gotta watch this, you guys, because this thing could shoot to the moon. Remember how I told you we had so much room earlier? Oh, farts. It's all right. You know, the trend is your friend. You want to follow the trend, right? Now, if you're looking at the trend from a little bit earlier, I'm just gonna kind of get my head straight, you guys. Let's go ahead and just look at this level. I think I pulled out of that trade just a few seconds too early. Maybe not. I don't know. It's the market. It can go up. It can go down. Here's the thing, though. So we were trending down all the way from last night's high. I'm gonna mark that last night's high too, because if we start shooting fast, it will go up there to 27,500. I called that last night. Okay, it's all good in the hood. I ain't tripping. Here's the thing: the trend is your friend. So it was trending down. I thought, well, why don't I buy a call right here? And that was a bad call, and I stayed in it way too long. I was married to the trade. I shouldn't have been married to the trade. Should have got out. Whatever, whatever. So I've been climbing since with 105 win, 55 win, 87 win, 55. What was that one right there? 67 and 60. As you can see here, we are trending upward from that bottom. I think that was our daily bot. I know it was because it's already 12:22. And there is some liquidity up here to get. And there's some shorts that are trapped. I don't know how many are trapped. I'm not a market maker. I don't have those numbers. I don't go to therapy. I don't know all the therapy words. So, anyways, if you're just joining us, if I have any viewers, hopefully I do. This is a brand new stream. I'm just trying out some things, you know. I'm trying out some things, trying to figure out what the game is all about. Man, that is rain. I mean, that's not. Yeah. Hmm. It's shooting up, guys. It's shooting up. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute here. Let's watch this. I gotta be aware because we have. Let's see. A little bit more than a minute before that 5 minute candle closes. I don't have anything that it's closing near right now on the 1 minute. Let's see, a 5 minute here. Man, I want a retracement. If we get a retracement down, here, I'll draw this out. Let's do here. Let's do a polygon. Okay. If we can get a retracement down to about here, I would enter for a long, hoping it's going to go right about there. Come on now, get out of here. There we go. I don't know if that retracement is possible. I mean, anything is possible at this stage. And you guys all know the market. It can go up, it can go down, it can go all around. Actually, it can just go up and down. The bulls might be coming in here. Let's see. We have about 15 seconds until it closes. I'm going to get ready here. I have 5 micros on NQ trading that. Yep, it's going down. There we go. Sweep it, baby. Sweep them. Come on. Trap them. Got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, if that would have shot up, I would have been in. It didn't shoot up. I'm not in. You gotta be patient, and I was patient. You think that's all NQ has for us? You think that's it? Really? 1225? No, it's gonna retrace. See? What did I say? It's coming back down. Okay, we got a little bit of a retracement. I think this zone has been hit. That was hit once earlier. I don't know. That's not really a valid zone. NQ can move a lot. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that zone because I don't like the way it looks. All right, here we go. Okay, I said this earlier. I think this is going to retrace. The trend is going up. It's not liking the 437 area, but I also know that we have all this room to the 500 from last night's high. Now that was Asia. Um, that was their trading session. See, look at that, dude. It came down. Let's see here. Okay. Hmm. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just gonna be patient at this point. I need more retracement. I need more confirmation. As you can see, I got in this trade a little bit too late. But we had, I mean, how many points was that? If I would have gotten in 393 all the way up to 428, dang, that's a 50-point move, man. 50-point plus. If I would have gotten in, there, I think I would have been a little bit happier. Let's move this way just a little bit there. We'll move you guys too. Da, da, da. Let's see if this will want to swing all the way to the upside. Got him. If only we can put that in there, and the market would be like, "Hey, that sounds wonderful." But it is what it is. As Drake says, "It is what it is." Let's just be patient here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Maybe we can look at some of those things that. Let's see if we can look at some of those things here. Okay, so my wife made me some of these cool little pictures here. I gotta unzip them. I don't know how. Let's see here. It says expanding. Mm-hmm. Oh, there they are. Okay, I see. Oh, they're in a folder. No wonder. It was already expanded and I was kind of dumb. All right. Let's see here. Babe, I love these thumbnails. They are so fun. For all of you that didn't hear that, she said, "Oh, yay." And I even think I did her voice pretty well. Da, 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 da. Look at these. Let's look at these. Look at that. Monday Matt. Oh my gosh, I am so old. Look at all these old spots. Are you telling me AI couldn't have cleaned my face up a little bit, babe? I'm just kidding. Embrace, You gotta embrace the age sometimes. That's what you gotta do. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this one, see what we got going on. I've taken avoid trader burnout. That's true. You got to avoid that trader burnout, you guys. You can burn out a lot. These images are AI. My wife just took a picture of me and she made them. I gotta be like, what? Check this one out. Look at that. Trading Tuesdays with Tim. Oh snap! Live daily. Inglés y español. Si ustedes quieren hablar español, podemos hablar español y podemos hacer trading en español. Now, I will say each of these, after I'm pulling them up, I'm kind of still checking this out, dude. We have another valid bull flag. Maybe not. Maybe not. All right, let's go with the live market analysis that we have going on. Look at that live market analysis. Oh, look at my face, you guys. I'm so handsome. I really am handsome. I'm a good looking dude. I'll be honest. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so if you're just joining me, I am trading in English and Espanol, live futures day trading. Look at that. Man, that is talent right there. Avoid stock market loss. Yeah, you got to avoid that stock market loss. It's there. All right. So we'll have to see which one we pick for tomorrow, guys. I mean, who knows which one we're gonna pick. But we got some volatility going on here. I was retracing. I thought we would have a little bit more of a retracement, but we are bullish right now. If we can get above the 437 and close that, we have so much room to last night's high at the 500. So, but do we want to wait for a retracement? How much time do we have? 12:32. No, it's power hour right now. So, okay, I'm going to show you guys my losses. I am negative on the day. I'm negative 113 because I had a really big loss earlier. I try to trade this 15-minute candle in the morning time. Show you guys. Let's see here. We'll just go down. So I had a losing trade, and I was married to it. I stayed in it way too long. I shouldn't have stayed in it so long. But since then, let's see, I have 105, 255, 387, 455 again, 67, 60. So I've had quite a few winners today. And well, I'm trading momentum, right? I mean, we can do some bounce rejects, we can do some fake outs, some breakouts. Uh, okay, if you're following me and you're getting ready for this next trade, we have about 2 minutes until the 5 minute candle closes. If this closes above the 440, um, I don't know because they can trap us. So maybe we'll just wait a few minutes and see. Patience. Patience is key, you guys. Cause I was patient. Anybody know who sings that song? Yes, I was patient. Like and subscribe. Let's get some followers going on here, you guys. This is fantastic. You know, I set up this software. Oh, it's kind of interesting. This software. I got my little mic right here, little mic stand. Testing, testing, one, two, three. This is better than ASMR coming at you, WNBC, playing today's hip hop, rock, and classic soft music for the radio. You know, a lot of people ask me, they say, trading with Tim, you know, you've really done a good job trading today. And I got to say, I don't know. I don't know if that's true. That might be true. It might not be true. Just like the market might go up and it might go down. Okay. Anyways, all right, we got 30 seconds till this candle closes. I'm going to expand that out just a teeny bit. See if it closes. If this candle can close above that 437 mark, then I say let's go long. It's been having a hard time all day long, though. Oh, I mean, you can see just this was market open right here, and it pushed up, and then they said nope. They yoinked it. They said yoink, yeet, yeet, skeet, skeet. Uh, 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 Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. All right, we have a new 5 minute candle. I don't know. I need to see some confirmation before I enter into this one because that is just. I mean, either way, I want to see confirmation if I want to short it. You know, if this can come out here and close down here in the next 5 minutes, maybe I have a short. If it closes up here, maybe I have a long. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Let's look at 15 minute actually. Yeah, 15 minute. Not liking that one all that much. Anyways, let's see if I can see if I can tell you guys some funny stories today. I told this story a little bit earlier, but I got to tell it again. So my cat loves, since we moved to California, my cat loves to go hunting outside, and my cat has brought us lots of presents like mice, lizards, and yesterday was Sunday, my sweet, sweet wife, was looking at the cat, and the cat looked at her and was like, meow, like the way the cats do. And my wife's like, what do you want? And the cat's like, follow me, meow, follow me. Well, she followed the cat up to my son's bedroom, where underneath the bed was a baby bunny. I kid you not, a baby bunny was underneath the bed. Okay, wait a minute. Look at, we have some drop off here. Um, is that enough momentum? No. Honestly, I think if you're going short right now, mm, I would say thank you for your liquidity, because I'm about to enter and I will buy up your shorts because there is not enough momentum. Let's look at the volume. Everybody go down. Yeah. I mean, it looks like it is, and it looks like there's a ton of momentum. I mean, hey, I guess you could have taken that short. You could be scalping that. No, I don't know. Anyways, okay, so my so my cat calls my wife up to the bedroom, and he's like meow meow meow, and there's a little baby bunny, and earlier, actually, this is a little side story. Earlier, there was blood in our bathroom, and there was like a blood streak. But last time there was blood, there was like a bird or a mouse or something we had to clean up. But it's like, man, where'd all this blood come from? Well, it turns out that the poor bunny, like, it was alive. It had a broken leg, but I think my cat maybe chewed off more than it can handle. So we took the bunny to the vet. The vet said, "We don't want this. It's a wild bunny." And when I say bunny, I mean it was a cute little teeny bunny. Like it looked like this microphone. Like it was just like it was that gray. Um, and they said, okay, call animal control. So we had the animal control guy, called them up, and man, animal control, like they have a bulletproof vest. They had like a taser, a gun, a badge. Like they were official. I was I was concernicus for a few minutes there. I thought, well, this animal control, if they really want to take somebody's animal, that's cool. But it was just kind of like, all right, hey, so here's your little fluffy bunny. And there you go. Okay, it's 12:39 right now. Market usually picks up in the next 6 minutes. You might see a giant move. If you're going long, you're liking that wick right there. What do we got? 5 minute? Let's go to the 1 minute here. Yeah. Okay, so we have an engulfing candle on the 1 minute. I'm liking long, you guys. That's a nice little wick on the bottom. I don't know. I just need more confirmation because I don't want to get stopped out. Yeah, let's be patient. Let's be patient, you guys. When it comes to trading, you got to be patient. You got to. If you're not patient, then the market will own you as it has owned me. Jeez, man. Let's be a little bit patient here. Let's see where this fight. Look at that on the 5 minute candle. That wick is nasty. Some nasty price action there. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're going to be. What do you guys think? Let's see here. As you can see, I don't have very many. What are they called? Indicators on my chart. I don't like a lot of indicators. They kind of get in the way of kind of seeing what really is happening with the market. Okay, see, I like that. I like it, but I need more confirmation. Okay, so that 5 minute candle closed. It's still down here. That's called consolidation. I've been seeing these flags all day long, all day long. And you would say, well, that 5 minute candle closed underneath this, sure, but that's just kind of a clear rejection of that line. And that rejection could be because the market makers are trying to get some more liquidity. See, look at these shorts are coming in hot. They're coming in hot, but that volume, not volume, man, if you were taking volume right now, you'd be like, ha, but the volume is coming in hot. All right, guys. If I got any, oh, hello. If I got anybody watching, like and subscribe to me. Let's push this out. Copy the link at the top. Send it to your friends. Say, hey, this is my homie Tim. He's just talking nonsense. If you guys want to ask me a question in the chat, by all means. Okay, it looks like we have a sell-off happening. Let's see here. Okay, here's why I don't like the shorts in this. I like the retracement. Love that retracement, actually. I don't like the shorts because it's been trending upwards, see? And they haven't been able to break back into that zone yet. But they might try. Here's the thing with the market. It can go up or it can go down. If it goes up, it's our moment. Gotta be golden. Something, something, something. If it goes down, well, that's gonna make you frown. Go down, make you frown, Charlie Brown. Oh, that's a good little rap. Okay, this is my first, not my first live stream, but this is my first kind of in this situation over here where I just turned my computer around because the light shines way too much over there. Is that how you say it? Shined? Shone? Shunned? Sheened? All right, guys. Okay, we got a retracement coming down. It's going to be 12:45 in a few minutes, about a minute 30 on that candle. ES is looking about the same. Crude oil. Oh, crude oil. Tap that, guys. Oh, no wonder mine's NQs is going down. Not enough volatility, though. That's weak volume. Weak volume crude oil. With that weak volume, that can only mean one thing. We're going to see some longs going here. Okay, so if you are new to trading, I won't go into all the crazy stuff, man. It's taken me, I've been doing this for, I want to say since September, at least this style. I got into trading a few years back, but it's a process. It's a big process. It's like a skill set to learn. But if you want to buy, that means you think it's going to go higher. If you want to sell, that means it's going to go lower. If you buy, you want to sell when you're in the money. If you sell, you want to buy when you're in the money. And these are futures that I'm trading. So, you're trying to guess. You're really just trying to guess. Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? We have about 15 seconds till this candle closes. If this can sweep up here and if it stops, I will put a short in. I'll sell it. A short means sell, means you think it's going to go lower. Long means you think it's going to go higher. So I'm giving you some glossary terms. You remember that word glossary? Okay, so it closed. That 5-minute candle closed with a bull hammer. A bull hammer? A bull hammer with no confirmation. Jeez, this market sucks today. Oh, geez, Rick. Anybody know what that's from? Rick and Morty. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Yep, there we go. I'm in long. Oh, was that a fake out? Was that a fake out? Don't fake me out. Nope. Let's go, Bulls. Get in there. Did you guys see that spike? That's a fake out. Is that a fake out or breakout? All right, we're gonna find out, guys. I'm either losing right here money, or if it can go higher, come on, baby, get past that zone. There we go. Come on. Does it have the audacity? Can it do it? Can it go higher? We got to find out, but I'm going to keep my finger on this. That's the thing about the stock market. You got to be quick with the draw. Quick draw McGraw. Okay, I'm going to focus up here. We got to check this. Let's go to the 1 minute. I'm in a long right now. Farts. Come on, baby. I saw that bull hammer. I saw it. I think lots of other people saw it. Come on, baby. Get up there. I don't want to lose. I've had a string of winners. You're going to win, you're going to lose. It's like that song, you know. You got to know how to hold them. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go, baby. Come on. You're going. You're going. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. You got it. I know you do. See, there's no volume. There we go. Longs are taking over. Get those shorts. Come on. We got room. We got so much room to the upside. So much room. Let's go, baby. Go, baby. Go. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. This is one of those trades that it either makes or breaks you. I mean, it won't break me, but, you know, weaker minded folks, it's going to break, not me. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. You got it. You got it. Come on now. Uppity up, up, up. Uppity up, up, up. Uppity up, up, up. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Oh, come on. I'm telling you, man, this is an emotional roller coaster. Let's go. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. There we go. I like where that one closed. Let's go. Come on. You got it. You got it. Let's get some volume. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Where do you go? Ah, nope. Yep. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go. I'm hooked on that 8-second ride. Oh my gosh, that is so relevant. I'm going to put that song on after this. Go, 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 baby. It's going. Come on, come on, come on. Man, I usually want to be in and out a lot quicker than this, but there's some gas. There's some gas in the tank, you guys. There is some gas in the tank. All right, I'm going to calm my little brain down right now. There is some gas. Look at that, where that 1 minute closed. Look where that 1 minute closed. Look at that. Let's go to the 5 minute. There is some gas in that tank, baby. Rally base rally, maybe? There's gas. Boom, boom. Look at that. Go, go, go. Go. There's gas. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. There it is. The pedal's on the right. The pedal is on the right. The pedal is on the right. Don't hit the brakes. Hit the pedal. Hit the pedal. Put the pedal to the metal. All right. If this candle closes above this line, there we go. Boom. Come on now. Here we go. We got some audacity here. All right, here we go. Hi, kitty. You bring me another treat? There we go. We got room to the upside. There it goes, baby. Boom. There it goes. See? Come on. Don't fake out. Go, 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 go. Let's go, Bulls. You mother. I know. Hi, kitty meows. Come here. Come on, baby. Oh. It's not a fake out. We got time. We got time. It closed. There we go. There we go. Come on now. Oh, it breaks your heart, you guys. It breaks your heart when it doesn't do what you want it to do. Get up there. Get up there. I'm going to get out of this trade. I'm going to get out. I don't like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. That's how fast it goes down. You like it. You love it. You want some more of it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I tried so hard. I can't rise above it. Come on. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty meows. Let's go, baby. Come on. You have some room. You have so much room to the upside. There we go. Okay. Get up, get up. Yeah, I'm gonna come on. Where are my bowls at? Where are my bowls at? I'm gonna hold it for a minute. We're gonna see here. We got room to the upside. 30. There we go. Get up, get up, get up. I'm out. I'm out. It's playing with my heart. 32.50. If it shoots up, I'm gonna be not surprised, to be honest with. And I don't want to jump back in right now, or do I? I called it, you guys. I called it. Farts. That's all right. That's all right. You know, it was toying with my heart. It's toying with my heart. I think I can make up another 100. Let's see here. Playing with my heart when I'm with you. But when we are apart, I feel it too. No matter what you do, I can't something with or without you. We got room to the upside. I don't like the volume. I don't want to be in. I think I would have taken it a little bit higher. Yeah, that was weak. 3 points. See, dropping down. 44, 44. I want you guys to go ahead and smash that like, smash that subscribe button. You know, comment. Tell me what's up. Put a little chatty chat in the chat box. We can chat up. You know, kind of see what's up. See, it's failing. It's failing. It's dropping like Jimmy Fallon. It's Fallon, Fallon, Fallon. Go, kitty. Go. What you got, kitties? You gonna go outside? Hey, remember, go outside. Oh, good kitty meows. That's the kitty, kitty. You guys would love the kitty. Kitty's pretty bad, eh? Bow, bow, bow. Yep. Oh, I'm glad I got out. Oh, it's playing. It's toying with me. Okay. Well, let me explain my reasoning for that. Honestly, part of trading is journaling and kind of talking it over, and you got to process this stuff out, right? But I clearly saw that we had a lot of momentum. Go into the upside. You look at volume. Volume is increasing. I still think there's room to the upside. I think these market makers are playing hard to get right now. I just don't know that I want to risk it with, what do we have? One more minute till that last 5-minute candle closes. And we are right above that. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. I mean, there is, that's going to close below. Okay, we have about 45 seconds until that 5-minute candle closes. I don't see anything in the news going on. Does anybody know, did Trump say that, you know, the war's over? Trump says the war's over. That thing shoots up like crazy. That's the beauty of it all. No. The news says that the U.S. is being humiliated by Iran. What? I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm a big fan of the USA, so I don't really like the smack talk. But, you know, people can have their opinions. That's the beauty of USA, is we have freedom of speech. Freaking First Amendment right there. You can say whatever you want to say because this is free country. This is land of the free. Oh, it's going down. Okay. See, there we go, guys. I told you. I mean, it's an interesting reversal. Okay, but I've been scalping some trades, you guys. I just kind of wanted to show you, you know, there's some setups here that are interesting. This market's been choppy all day. What you're really hoping for is a lot bigger of pushes. You're not really seeing a lot of those. It's just gonna chop us. It's choppity, but you know, I gotta say, there's been, let me count how many successful ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my last one 8. So it has been chop central today. Well, guys, I'm gonna call it. I have been on it like blue bonnet, and I don't want to trade anymore. I think I'm just gonna call that right now. Another hour in the futures. Looks like my computer's gonna call it. There we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna call this one. Peace. Thanks for joining me today. That was fun. Got a little bit of trading done. We'll go ahead and get on out of here. Have a great day. Peace and love. Peace and love. God bless America.